SWIK is a single-use device intended to manage oral secretions in the mouth. Using SWIK requires two components: the mouthpiece with catheter used for 12 hours at a time and the extension tubing that can be used for up to a week at a time. Be sure to read the full instructions for use before beginning and reach out to us at SWIK Medical if you have any questions. The mouthpiece and catheter attach to the extension tubing by pushing the two ends together and gently twisting to lock in place. The blue connector fits on your pump. Alternate the location of the tubing along the foam by gently sliding. Alternate sides frequently to avoid potential skin irritation. Connect the extension tubing to your pump. Saturate the foam mouthpiece with potable water per protocol. Saturating the foam makes it easier to place deep into the gum line. The tubing sits off-center on the foam. Rest the tubing over the ear on that same side. Begin in the center of the mouth and using your fingers push the foam along the lower gum line, stretching to the back molars on both sides. Use a long cotton swab to push the foam into place. You can secure the tubing to the face with paper tape. Turn on the pump. Start with a suction at 40 and adjust higher or lower depending on the patient's need and thickness of secretions. Thicker secretions may also require you to take the device out to rinse it off and then reinsert it periodically.